So we're back again with some drop products. So as you can see, we've got our Black Speech keyboard here, but they sent us some of their awesome keycaps. The one thing I will say about these, they come in a really nice thick box. Got like some stickers, some notes. They've even got these little finger protectors, little finger condoms to put on when you're handling it so you don't damage it or whatever, which is very interesting. Let's see. So that way you can, I guess, manhandle it. Let's take this one out. Okay, so this one here. So we'll take this here, we'll place that down temporarily. Let's get the other ones out as well. The really cool thing about these is that you can use these pretty much anywhere you want on your keyboard, but it makes sense to use them in places specifically that you're going to want to like not have to worry about memorizing. They also give you techniques for how to deal with a loose or tight stem, basically using hot water to tighten up the stem, and then using the loose stem kit, these little stickers, to basically be extra little tightening agents inside the cap, which is really cool. This right here, we have the Eye of Sauron. There you go. Then our last one. Sauron's helm. Okay. So this is going to look really cool with this one, specifically because of the fact that this is the Black Speech keyboard. So definitely going to do that. We've got this little eye here, but it's not the real eye. So let's pull this one off. Okay, and we'll put the actual Eye of Sauron on there. That fits perfectly. That's a really good swap out. Now, what's another good swap out? Well, F4 is the key you use when you want to close down programs. So let's swap out F4 with Sauron. And then we've got one more. This dragon is so cool in there. Nazgul Riders. Let's put this one here on F5, the refresh. And again, keep in mind, you can place these wherever you want.
Some of that really cool options for these Artisan keycaps includes the Morgul Fellbeast. Sauron the Dark Lord is a really cool option for these as well. And then if you're just a really big fan of the representation of the eye in the movie, there's always the Eye of Barad-Dur. Cool, awesome keycaps available for you to pick up.
You can place these wherever you want on your keyboard, whatever makes sense for you, but they are nice little additions to stylize your keyboards with mechanical keyboards specifically, especially with the drop line, and it works great with the extension of the Lord of the Rings collection. These are really cool. They have 3 different keyboards currently available. That's the Black Speech, you've got the Dwarvish, you've got the Elvish, and they've got another one coming. You can see our actual article about that. But these are just really good options to make sure that you're like getting the most out of your keyboard. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully you guys pick up one for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.